In the previous project, we learned how to create a basic meme template. Let's take this a few steps further and see how to make your projects easy to reuse. Previous projects have the limitation of having to manually adjust the size when the size of the image changes. By placing a resize node next to the image node, you can fix the size of input image. Let's change it to 512 by 512 here. And resize policy is also a very important property, and when a wide or tall image is input, it determines how contents will be cropped. This time, we will select Fit Content so that content of the input image is not clipped within the area. Then test it by changing the image nodes of different sizes to the input value of the resize node. Now, regardless of the size of the image, it will be composited at the size you specified. And let's change the project's message text to make it a bit easier to change. Create a string property node in the logic section. Select the node and enter the message you want. Now let's apply this message to our project. If you look to the left of the text property of the text node, you will see a checkbox. Click it to expose the property. Then a socket will appear on the left side of the text node. Connect the string socket you created a while ago, and the message will be applied to the project. You can change the background color in the same way. That's it. Let's place the string property, image texture, and color property nodes inside the inputs area. If the inputs area is small, drag the boundary to enlarge it a bit. You just created a program that takes an image and text color as input and composites a meme. If you click Output node, you can see the properties that inputs at once, and it is a template that allows you to create the meme you want without working with the nodes. You can also change the name of the properties to suit your needs. It will be more convenient for future use. Click the Save button at the top and you're done.